Hey friends, if you encounter IaStorA.sys 100% disk usage while doing nothing, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, check for hardware failure, and for this, you will have to call a hardware technician. The second one, because it is specific to disk usage. So, if it is an HDD, try the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Next solution is to reinstall the Intel Rapid Storage Technology software. So all you need to do is copy and paste it in the search bar and go to its website. Download this one, run the setup. Okay, it will need a few seconds to open, and then it will open the Intel Rapid Storage Technology board, and then you can install it. Now my system does not have the capacity for installing it, but you can. The last solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.